The free AI tool almost everyone will be using next month, and you can start today before they do. Here's what it really does and where it stops. By the end, you'll see why it quietly beats tools people pay for. It's NotebookLM from Google, and it's free. You give it your documents, notes, PDFs, a messy folder, and it becomes a tutor that only answers from your own sources. No made-up facts, just your material explained back to you. Why the switch? Most AI guesses from the whole internet. This one is grounded in what you actually gave it, so you can trust the answer. It even turns your notes into an audio overview you can listen to like a podcast. Try it in a minute. Drop in a long report, ask for the 3 decisions that matter, and get a sourced summary before your coffee's cold. Students, founders, anyone drowning in reading, this is the unlock. Now the catch, because there's always one. It only knows what you feed it. It won't browse the web. Very large uploads get trimmed and it's still Google account bound. Powerful, not magic. Free, grounded, and about to be everywhere. Get in before your feed tells you to. The full toolkit is on the page below. Subscribe for one honest tool a day.